Good afternoon. Today we are going to be doing a science experiment using the scientific method. The scientific method, if you didn't know, is where you have a problem, then you make a hypothesis, you test your hypothesis, and then come up with a conclusion. Today our problem is we need to figure out what the best way to show how a hummingbird gets its nectar. Alright, so what you will need for this experiment is some pair of tweezers, a dropper, some pliers, 3 cups labeled T, D, and P, and a thing of water. Alright, so now it's time to make your hypothesis. Which method do you think will be the best way to show a hummingbird gets its nectar and will get the most water from the pitcher to the cup? The dropper, the pliers, or the tweezers? Pause the video and make your selection. Okay, now it's time for me to make my hypothesis. My hypothesis is the dropper will do the best. Now on to the experiment. Alright, now we are going to use the pliers for 30 seconds and see how much water gets from there to there. Pliers, ready, set, go! Okay, there we go. In the pliers cup, there's not that much water. So now let's move on to the dropper. Move on to the dropper. Ready, set, go. Okay, so in the dropper cup, we have quite a bit of water. All right, see, there's quite a bit of water in there. So now let's move on to the tweezers. Ready, set, go. And there we go. There we go. There's even less water than in the pliers. You probably can't even see it on the camera. There's just a couple drops in there. Now it's time to make our conclusions. We are going to measure with the centimeter side of the ruler. First, the pliers. In the pliers, we have about 1/4 of a centimeter. In the tweezers, we have about 1/8 of a centimeter. And in the dropper, we have about 1.5 centimeters. Stop the video. Okay, now check your hypothesis and see if it matches up with our conclusion. The dropper obviously did the best. And if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more awesome videos. See you next time.